Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am here to plan next week, which is Monday, November 12th through Sunday, November 18th. And I am using this gorgeous kit from Scribble Prints Co. We actually got this kit at the New York City Planner Conference, and I have been saving it because I just have had a lot of other kits to use. So I'm excited to finally dig into it. I'm a little overwhelmed because there are a lot of stickers. There are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 full pages of stickers. Like, that is a lot of stickers. I definitely don't need them all to plan this 1 week. So I will probably end up with a lot of leftovers, and then also these little small sheets. So we'll see how this goes. I'm really excited to use this kit. Her stickers are very glossy. I've used them in the past, and so they're not removable. Once they're down, and you do have to write on them with a permanent pen, but I'm used to that from other stickers that I use. So we're going to continue with what we've been doing in the past, which is finishing up the week before. Although I have filled in a lot of the week. I did a lot of it on camera, and then I filled in Tuesday and Wednesday as those got planned. Most of this is still exactly the same. They did announce the time for the Texas game is 6:30, not the time slot that I wanted, but it'll have to do. We are going to dinner at 7, so I won't really get to watch too much of the game. And then I'm not filling in these two spots for the brunch and then for dinner because I might add a picture or two, and I don't want to write the words until I'm ready to add the picture. So let's see. I've already done this, and I have plugged these in. This is my toothbrush and my water pick, making sure that those get charged. And this is what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and check that off. All right, that's it. I still have no idea what my mom and I are up to on Sunday. We've talked about a couple of ideas, probably going to brunch, maybe going to do some shopping, but it also kind of depends on the weather. So let's go ahead and jump into this week. I'm going to scoot up some of these sticky notes so that I can start with the bottom. I think that there are these big thick strips that are meant to go on the bottom of the Erin Condren. This is really pretty, although it has some colors that are not actually in the kit. Like this yellow color is not part of the kit. So it's kind of odd to me that it's part of the strip that goes on the bottom, but I trust Andrea from Scribble Prints Co. has a very good eye for design. And I trust that if she designed it that way, once I have it all down on the planner, it's going to look beautiful. I might have to pull in a couple of my own stickers for some specific things that I have going on next week, but for the most part, I am going to try just use the kit because there are so many stickers to use. I've talked about this before. I don't love date headers because then I don't really have space for my wacky holiday stickers. But man, these are really pretty. Don't love how you can see through it like that. And I'm not about to go white out every single date next week. So scratch that. No date covers for me. While we're talking about it then, let me go ahead and fill in my wacky holiday stickers. Although these are such bright colors. Whoa. Oh no, that one is cut. I don't know if that's gonna look funny. Well, I'll go ahead and put them down. And if they do end up looking like too bright, because this is an entirely pastel week, I will just take them off and move them onto my work planner or my work like wall calendar. Okay, now let's go into the sidebar. So I only made the sidebar in one color. And I mean, I made the workout stickers as well. This sticker has to fall on Saturday because I'm going to the movies on Saturday, and this is part of the kit. And then I like the order that she has the stickers here, although I'm gonna kind of do them in reverse. I'm gonna do them like this. So I made the habit tracker in this sort of purple color. I probably should have done the habit tracker in slightly darker color. It's a little bit hard to see, but that's all right. And then this kit does have a ton of full box stickers because that's kind of the like planning style is people put these full box stickers like all over. If you've watched any of my Plan With Me's, you know that's not my style, but I do love all of these full boxes. So I just need to decide which one I want to put up in this corner. I think I'm gonna go with this vanity one. Kind of reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. Just like every other full box sticker in the entire universe, it is a smidge too tall for that space in the Erin Condren once I have my habit tracker down. If you watch other Plan With Me's, they will just put a full box sticker and it's fine. If it goes down a little bit more, I have my habit tracker there, so that's not really an option for me. Let's go ahead and move some stickers or some sticky notes out of the way rather and put down the checklist stickers. I don't love these checklist stickers for a couple of reasons. One, I don't love that there's only 5 spots. Like there's definitely days of the week that I need more than 5 spots. And the other reason is I don't love the heart. It's cute to look at, but I don't like the way it looks when she put a check in it. And so I know a lot of people will just like scribble in it. Scribble Prints Co. I'm not totally on the heart checklist thing. It's not my favorite thing. I'm a little undecided on if I'm gonna put checklists on the weekends because because my parents are going to be in town starting on Saturday. And so I'm not anticipating getting that many things done. Why did I put this one here? Oh my gosh. Probably should have based it so that those two little half box checklists were the right colors for the, oh my gosh. This is all wrong. Guys, I'm a mess. Remember when I said that her stickers were really not removable and then I put down the wrong colors? Yeah, me too. So what I'm going to do is cut these in half, which I have done before with other kits. Okay, this one looks a little bit messed up because it got destroyed when I had to lift it back up, but I think it looks okay. All right, now time for the Spurs games. So I grabbed a couple things. I grabbed these basketball stickers from Chrissy & Designs, thinking I might be able to just use the silver ones or the gray ones at the bottom. I grabbed these from Planner Kate that I've used before, and then I grabbed my logo ones. All of this, to be honest, just looks a little bit harsh in comparison to these pastels. So I think what I'm gonna try and do is dig up just some event stickers or some quarter boxes. There's gotta be something in all these kits, right? So what do we have? Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So I need 2 of them to be that sort of dark color. So it looks like we have enough of these with the little triangles on them. Yeah, this works out. And it's okay that the Sunday one is a little bit smaller than the other ones, because the truth is I'm not gonna watch the Sunday game because we're going to see a show at the same time as the game. Whew, sticky notes everywhere. All right, let's try and go in with the workout stickers. So normally, if you've watched any of my Plan With Me's, I skip workouts on Wednesdays and I only work out Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. But Monday, I'm going to be flying home, so I can't work out Monday morning. I mean, I guess I could get up and work out before my flight, but that's definitely not gonna happen. So I actually am gonna work out all the days in a row. And Sam can't join me on Wednesdays because he's a networking meeting, but to be honest, Sam hasn't really been joining me as much as he used to, so I don't really feel that bad. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mark my flight. That's on Monday morning. Now, normally I would use one of my flight tracker stickers, but they are just all so bold and it's not going to look right. So instead, I'm just going to use a half box, and then I'm going to use a little airplane sticker from the kit. Okay, this kit has a similar issue to other kits that I've used in the past, in that there are no decorative half boxes. There's just a bunch of full boxes. So I'm going to do what I have done, because we have learned that cutting them is not really an option for me. So instead, what I'm going to do is just put the full box here. And it does cut into my nighttime a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. I have to say, as beautiful as these stickers are, and they are absolutely stunning, I cannot handle how not removable they are. I'm a perfectionist and I like the stickers to be placed perfectly on the planner, but I'm not talented enough to get it perfect the first time I put them down. So I need to be able to move them a little bit, and these are just hard to do that with. Okay, now that sticky notes are all over the place, also the sticker is really hard to see, but that's okay. Let's start filling in the space. So Monday, I need to unpack after I get home. So I'm gonna use this really hard to see sticker, but it's but it matches the day. And I'm gonna use one of these little characters from the Coffee Monster Co. Okay, Tuesday, I have a couple of things to do. Ooh, you know what? Let me see if I can use some of these little icon stickers. Do you think I could fit 3 in there? No, probably not. Where are the little baby icon stickers? Yeah, these should work. So I have 3 things I need to do on Tuesday night. I have an appointment, and then I need to go to the grocery store, and then I need to meal prep. I feel a little silly not putting those icons down on a sticker because there are so many flippin' stickers in this kit, but to be honest, I don't really know what to use, and I kind of just like the way it looks like this. Okay, Wednesday night, I need to edit the footage from the weekend. I'm planning on vlogging over the course of the weekend, and I want to get that edited Wednesday night so that I can get it up for y'all. I think I'm out of like the actual edit little characters, so I guess I'm just gonna use the little one that has the YouTube. Is that the same size as the packing guy? Yeah, because I just want to be consistent. Sam leaves on Thursday. I mean, I don't really need to mark that. I did that. I did that. This I will need when I go in with the pen. Okay, Thursday night, I am getting drinks with Sarah. If y'all don't follow Sarah Marie here on YouTube, You should definitely go check her out. I really admire her. She is an accountant, full-time accountant, a mom, full-time mom, wife, and she runs a very successful YouTube channel. And I really just admire her. So I'm excited. She is in New York for a conference for her job. And so we are going to hang out on Friday night, or Thursday night rather. Friday night, I need to get some filming done before my parents arrive. I'm gonna use this half box sticker, although I'm not really sure where I want to put it. And then back to these little guys. I don't have any little film ones either. Well, I have one, but he's huge. So I'm gonna use another little baby YouTube one. I do like using these words from Oh Hello Stationery, but I like the consistency of the little emoji guys. Okay, I'm gonna fill in this space with just a decorative sticker. Whew. But there are so many of these gorgeous like glitter strips. I think that it will just look nice and tie in that color with a sticker that can actually be seen, because let's be real, this one is kind of invisible. Okay, Saturday, I need to make sure I can fit in all of the plans before I put stickers down on paper. Saturday night, my family and I are going to watch the football game together. I'm excited to take my parents to the bar. Well, it's a restaurant, so my brothers can get into, that we normally watch the game at. So let's say we do a half box for that, and then we're going to dinner first, so half box for dinner. And then I need to mark that they're arriving. And then here's my movie theater. Ooh. Here's my movie theater sticker. And then before that, I'm having a cleaning service come. I think I can fit all that in on Saturday, have it look nice. We're gonna find out. I don't know what all of our plans are on Sunday. I only know what our nighttime plans are, which is going to see Puffs the musical, which is awesome, and I have now seen a lot of times, but that's okay. It's not a musical, Laken, it's just a play, but I'm excited for my family to see it. So I grabbed these little music munchkin dudes. I know it's not a musical, but there are some songs, and to be honest, it's the closest thing in this like neutral color scheme that I had that was like representative of a show. Okay, and then the only other thing on Sunday is the Cowboys game, but I don't know that we're actually gonna watch the game, so I'm not really sure where to put it, and as you saw, her stickers are so not removable, so I'm not going to do that quite yet. Because they are glossy stickers, I need to go in with the permanent pen. If you have followed me on any sort of social media, you probably know that I travel a lot, and I love to travel. I love to go visit my parents, both of whom live in 2 different states. I love to go visit friends. I love to go to events. I love to just travel with Sam. And I am also known for maximizing my vacation days. So I am the queen of taking the last flight out after work, which is what I'm doing to get to Chicago. And then I'm also the master of the first flight in the morning that allows me to go straight to work. Yes. Am I exhausted that day at work? Absolutely. But is it totally worth it because I got to spend the entire day and evening with my family or wherever, whatever city I'm in? 1000% it's worth it. Those super early morning flights are also usually the cheapest flights, and they're also usually always on time. Because they're first thing in the morning, there's just no time for things to get delayed, which is awesome because, to be honest, as much as I travel, I have the worst luck with flights. I am so excited for my family to come here for Thanksgiving. And when I say here, they're not actually staying at my apartment. There is no way that we would all fit. It's my dad, my stepmom, and my 3 brothers. So they are getting a hotel, but I'm so excited. My youngest brothers are twins and they are almost 10 and they have never been to New York. So I'm so excited for them to see the city and just experience what it's like to be in New York. Okay, and then I'm gonna quickly go in with my favorite matte pen to write on the actual planner, as well as write on the workout stickers. I could write on the workout stickers with the permanent because I'm writing on an actual sticker and it's not going to make a difference on my planner. But sometimes writing with a permanent pen on a matte sticker, it'll bleed a lot, and I just don't like the way that looks. I totally messed that up. I meant to write meal prep. On the hunt for a pink sticker. Okay, I just went on a rampage and didn't even realize that the camera wasn't on. I didn't like the way that looked just by itself. So of course, then I had to go digging and find stickers to do the other 2 icons with. and it's just been a mess. And I thought it was filming, but it wasn't, which was probably for the best because I sound like an absolute lunatic. Okay. That took a lot of stepping outside my comfort zone, partially in the color scheme and partially in just the style of the kit and partially in having stickers that are not super removable. I definitely made a mess of some of the stickers, but you know what? It actually looks really awesome. I'm really happy with how this week turned out. This week is sort of bookend with some craziness from a 5 a.m. flight to like family coming in for the whole week, but I have a little bit of quiet time in the middle. I get to meet a new friend, and I'm just really excited for this week. Thank you again so much to Scribble Prints Co. for donating this kit to everyone who attended the conference. I'm excited that I finally got to use it. And I don't know that I would buy a kit from her shop again, mostly just because I can't deal with their non-removableness. So that combined with how many stickers the kit comes with, and a lot of her stuff is super pastel, which is just not my style. But this is a beautiful kit. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning. Excuse me. This is not your video. This is my video.